very excited about this weekend. We've been looking forward to it for a long time, for the opportunity to see and experience what our son is enjoying on a daily basis and how he really has embraced everything that Lehigh has to offer, and get to see the different beauty and, more importantly, the community and the friends he's met and the opportunities he's already enjoying already.
So part of the magic at Lehigh is seeing our daughter flourish academically, but also engage socially, learn so much about other cultures and other experiences, and bring it all together to be a stronger person.
What I love about the Lehigh community is the positive energy that it brings, especially this weekend, family weekend, and just being able to see all my friends' parents. It brings like a real positive light, showing my mom around campus all the beautiful things it has to offer. It's really good.
Well, it's been very exciting. It's been lovely. We've seen all the positive energy. The parents all seem to be enjoying themselves, and I mean, it's very organized. We just loved everything about it.
I would say that the energy this weekend is just a lot more homey, because everyone feels all comfortable because their families are here and they're just excited to see everyone.
As I walk around here with my daughter, I'm so proud to be here and proud that she's here and to see the life that and the person she's becoming.
One of my favorite things about Family Weekend is we're all just one big Lehigh family.